This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Deborah CukusMelendez. This is a beautiful move-in ready 3-have single-family home in the desirable South Fork community. The home features a split floor plan with an open great room, stainless steel appliances, and tile throughout the main living areas. Enjoy the oversized covered lanai and fenced backyard, plenty of room for large gatherings. This well-maintained move-in ready home includes a washer and dryer, eat-in kitchen, separate dining area, living room with no backyard neighbors. For more information, review the details below.